January the 2nd, and I've been in bed all day because I don't feel good at all. Everything seems like it's spinning, and I don't know why. Maybe it's something I ate, and I think I'm sick because my head hurts, my ear hurts, my neck hurts, my throat hurts. Everything hurts, really. I've been in bed all day, and I play practice. So I'm gonna go because standing up is not ideal. So hopefully I sleep it off all today, and then go to school tomorrow because school starts tomorrow. And when I go to school, everything will be all good, and everybody will be cool. So yeah, hope everybody else's day went well, and I guess have a nice rest of the day. Be able to go back to sleep. Until then, make sure you guys love yourself and stay patently kosher.